What it do? We out here doing the ritual. Mother Nature ritual. Feed Mother Nature, feed the animals, feed the ecosystem of the world. Healing the world. No, for real though. You see the turtle out there? See some fish coming up. Get out here and get some fresh air, y'all. Still coming in the house. Don't let quarantine stop you from my desires or my dreams. For real though, don't let quarantine stop y'all. It's nice out here. Don't let them fool you. A lot going on now. A lot going on, but last time I have to show my hair on camera because I don't care. I know through my roughness, my ugliness, there's beauty, right? So it's probably gonna be the last time I let my hair go this long. I was gonna let that thing show. Women's, ladies, y'all better let that thing go. Because in your ugliness, you are beautiful to all women, especially of melanated skin. Okay, if you're melanated popping, on gold, on God, okay, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I let mine hair like 8 months maybe. Yeah, about 8 months, but it's alright. We're good. Got a little edgy. Got a little edge over, but it's alright. But come out here and feed these animals, these babies out here. Oh, we out here feeding the babies for real too, the children as well. We do it all because we are all a reflection of one another. Every living thing, everything that has life in it. So all lives matter over here. And we do realize that we are all one, we are all connected. So animals gotta eat, babies gotta eat as well, the children. Yeah, get in.